In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively review your journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a bookkeeper, knowing how to navigate and interpret these entries can help you maintain accurate financial records, ensuring your business's financial health. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser. Chrome is often recommended for the best experience, and head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, simply sign in with your credentials and you'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard, the starting point for managing your finances. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the chart of accounts. You can access this by clicking the settings or gear icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Under the section labeled Your Company, you'll see the option for Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This is the place where all your company's financial transactions are categorized, so it's a crucial component in maintaining clear and organized accounts. Although journal entries impact numerous accounts across your books, they're primarily housed within the general ledger. For those specifically looking to focus on journal entries themselves, you'll want to turn your attention to the Reports section. By visiting this area, not only do you see the effect of these entries, but you also get a clearer picture of your company's financial movements. Accessing the journal report is a straightforward process. From the menu on the left side, click on Reports. You'll notice a search bar. Type Journal right in there. A list will appear, so select the journal report. This report provides a comprehensive view of all journal entries for your selected period. Customizing this journal report helps you narrow down exactly what you need to review. You can set the date range for the specific period you're interested in, ensuring you only see relevant entries. Additionally, use the filters to fine-tune your view by transaction type, specific account, or even customer information if that's pertinent to your review. Once you've got it all set up, click on Run Report to see these changes take effect. Now, reviewing your journal entries from this report is crucial. It will list all entries, including debits and credits, giving you a detailed overview. If you need more specifics, click on any individual entry and it will open up further details or present you with options to make edits, given you have the necessary permissions. Lastly, if you need to share this information or perhaps keep a physical or digital record, QuickBooks makes this easy as well. Use the Export button to download the report, either as an Excel spreadsheet or in PDF format. Alternatively, if you prefer having a hard copy on hand, simply click the Print button. This functionality ensures that your financial records are flexible to your needs. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough of reviewing your journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Proper management of these entries is essential, and I hope this guide aids you in maintaining a well-organized financial tracking system.